got into Casa del Mar in Ormond Beach, Florida. We have a 2-bedroom condo facing the beach. So I'm going to walk you through. From the front door to the left is the bathroom area, and this is the closet. Which then goes into the bathroom with a glass stall shower. And we'll head back across to the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. A large screen. Oh wow, that's so big I can't even show you on screen. It is a large screen TV. Air conditioner in the corner. King size bed. And then a closet. And down the hallway to the kitchen. Kitchen on the left side. So this is a partial kitchen with no oven, but it does have a convection microwave and a dishwasher and a refrigerator. And then I believe, let's look in the cabinets here. You can see we have dishes, and I believe that there are pots and pans. There's a stove top here, and yeah, so down below it's kind of hard to see here at night, but there's silverware, and there's like a baking pan down there and a glass pans, and so pretty much everything you need for a stove, but it's a convection microwave instead of the oven. This is the living area. And I believe there's a patio. So let's go see that. So yeah, it's hard to see, but that's the pool, and then beyond the pool is the beach. And there are steps down, and we're right next to the guard tower. And then into the master bedroom. Another king size bed, I believe another patio. We'll go take a peek, another TV. So yeah, another patio. It's a view of the pool and the hot tub, and maybe I'll get that in the daylight later for you. And then into the master bath area. Same closet situation. Then we have a sink in the room by itself. And then there's another sink in here with a bathtub and a toilet. So there is a bathtub. It's in the master, and the shower in the second bedroom actually looks larger and nicer. So that is the 2-bedroom.